Hi, my name's Ian from Helping Hand Stairlifts, and in this short video today we're going to show you how to measure your staircase for the installation of a straight stairlift. And for the job you're going to need one of these. Okay, so make your way to the top of the stairs and with your tape measure kneel on the top step, obviously keeping yourself safe. Put the tape measure on the staircase and allow it to touch the nose of every tread and push it all the way to the bottom of the staircase until it touches the floor. So it wants to run a complete straight line with no bends or kinks. Okay, so now your tape measure is touching the whole floor. It runs straight across the stairs with no bends or kinks, and what we now need is the measurement from the top step. This particular staircase is 4 meters. So record that measurement as that's the one we'll need. Okay, brilliant. We've now measured the length of your staircase. That's the first piece of information we need. The next piece of information is the width of the staircase. Now we need to know the staircase width at the narrowest point because it's where your knees will be reaching across to as you travel up on the stairlift. So on this staircase, the narrowest point is the top of the newel posts on the newel post caps. So measure that between those 2 points. This is 84 centimetres. If you have an intermediate point, measure that point. On this staircase, we've just got the top newels. So these are your newel posts and these are your newel caps. We need that measurement between the two. And again, at the top here, slightly wider, 86 centimetres. So those two measurements we need. Any other information that we need will be the height of the user and also their weight. It's quite important because the stairlift does have a weight capacity, and also if there's any low bulkheads in the property, that's where the height measurement comes into. It also gives us an idea whether there's going to be a problem with clearance with knees on the staircase. Okay, we've got those all important measurements for your staircase. All we need now is a few photographs taken on a mobile phone, and they can be WhatsApped through to us. We need photographs at the top showing us what's on the landing, photographs at the bottom showing us the hallway, if there's a door threshold or any radiators, a photograph looking up the stairs and down the stairs, and anything else that we might need to know like windowsills. You can get the information through to us on WhatsApp or by calling 0800 999 2778 or by going on to our website at www.helpinghandstairlifts.co.uk. Thanks for watching.